YouTube? Sandy Frank here. Today, going to be opening up a online exclusive of 2022 Allen Ginter X. I love Allen Ginter X, and I try to get some every year. I already have 4 packs, loose packs set aside for my collection, so we'll be opening this whole box. Got this from Tops.com, direct from them, and it was a really good deal. It was a lot cheaper than it has been, so I think it was like $70 for the box. So let's see what we get. You should get an auto in a box of this. And if I don't, I'm going to be contacting Tops, because I think they advertise that you get 1 auto per box. And there's been some people saying they did not get their auto. So hopefully we'll get ours. Okay. Alright. There we go. Take a look at the blister pack, or pack art there. You have Mr. Allen, and there's the pack odds. Of course, definitely looking for the big rookies this year. Alright, get myself situated. There we go. Alright, so we got Carl Yastrzemski. Try to reduce some of the glare. Derek Jeter. Brian Reynolds. Got Fernando Tatis. We got Ty France. Got a mini of Byron Buxton with a lot of whitening on the bottom edge. Willie Stargell and Gavin Sheets rookie. It is easy to spot the rookies with that rookie card symbol this year. Got Pudge. Austin Riley. Jose Barrios. Ashby rookie. Yeah, definitely with these black borders, also very tough to grade. As you can see little white corners and stuff sometimes. Brendan Donovan rookie. Oh. We have Mike Schmidt, black border. No, not black border, just a mini. Cedric Mullins and Jarren Duran rookie. Mitch Haniger, Tino Martinez, no, it's Edgar. Honus Wagner, Thurman Munson, Joe Carter, Roger Maris, mini, Lance McCullers, and Randy Rosarina. Bryce Harper, Steve Carlton, CJ Cron, Tony Gwynn, Brandon Woodruff, Aaron Nola, Palacios rookie, and Frank Thomas. The Big Hurt. Gotta move some of this stuff over here. Stuff is not giving me much room. Hey, get organized up in here. Okay. So we have Francisco Lindor, Tom Seaver, Barons, a journalist and comedian, Brownell, softball player, Rob Riggle, Nick Lodolo rookie, Max Scherzer, and Adolis. Well, we got Torkelson back on the back. We got Ernie Banks. Chipper Jones? Yep. Dubner. That is Stephen Dubner, an author. Larry Walker, Maldonado, Ryan Sandberg, mini, Bill Mazeroski, and Spencer Torkelson. And my Torkelson, actually, the corners all look good. So I'll go ahead and break out a sleeve for that one. There you go. We got it in there without messing it up. Cal Ripken. Ooh, oh, we got a red mini. Ooh, so that's out of 5, I think. Brooks Robinson, Grice, Javi Baez, Dale Murphy. Go like this. We'll save that one. Paul Goldschmidt and Lou Brock. A couple of great Cardinals there. I'll go like this. We'll just have to remember we have a mini back there. Okay, move these. All right, Walker Texas Bueller, Mel Ott, Hansen, Scott Hansen, sports host, Trey Turner, Chicken Tendies. We got House Mini, a musician, Nolan Ryan, and Jesus Luzardo. Oh, and here we got a hit. So we'll save this one too. So at least we did get our hit in our box here. Steven Strasburg, Osborne, Roberts. The only thing I have any issue with so far is we haven't hit many of the big rookies. Maybe that'll change. We got you, House, and Acuna. So here is our second hit. We'll just set that right there. I mean, our first hit. I guess I'm counting the red mini as a hit. Hey, there's another big rookie, but it does have a little white on that corner. The Wander. There's a mini of Larry Doby. But I am happy to get a Wander. It's going to be tough to get PSA 10 caliber Allen Ginter X cards for sure. But it does have a little white in that corner. Okay. John India. Eddie Matthews, Salvi Perez, Johnny Cueto, the Schuster, and Brandon Crawford. John Schuster, a curler. Amos Otis. Huh. Don't remember seeing that Amos Otis in the set. That's cool though. Murphy. That is comedian Morgan Murphy. Aaron Judge. Big Poppy. Brandon Nimmo. Ozzie Albies. And a Rod Carew, Hall of Famer Rod Carew mini. And Jameson. Artist. Yadier Molina, Vidal Brujan rookie, Charlie Sheen, something on that card, a little white powdery substance, Cody Bellinger, Torres, Karadika, and Marcus Stroman, mini, Ryan Mountcastle, Bob Feller. By the way, the red minis, 1 out of 47 packs. So, nice little hit there. There's only 18 packs in a box, so we did good. All right, Mike Piazza, Mewis, soccer player, Buster Posey, DJ LeMahieu. Ah, nice. A Julio. And it does have a little bit of whitening in that corner, but not too bad. Is there a mini? I don't think I got a mini in that pack. The Biebs and Corey Seager. So, all in all, pretty good condition Julio. So that was definitely one of the goals of this box, was to get a Julio. And there we go. So we got 3 good rookies. See if we can get Bobby Witt. Lou Gehrig. Joe Ryan, rookie. Castillo, rookie. Ketel Marte. Rick Sutcliffe. Roger Clemens, mini. Ken Griffey Jr. And Tony Santillan, rookie. I think we just have 3 packs left. Maybe 4. Willie McCovey, Tom Glavine, Alex Bregman. Texas Ranger, Jacob DeGrom. Oh man, I'm so happy we got him. I'm ready for baseball season. Kirby, that's pretty decent. Oh, there's our extra mini. So we have 2 minis in this pack. They shorted us and they made it up. There's Justin Verlander, the George Kirby rookie, and a John Mayberry. Albert Pujols and Otto Lopez. Alright. So really, okay, we got 3 packs left. Just looking for a Bobby Witt Jr. And I'd say this is a very successful. It's already been great because we did get a numbered mini and a Julio. See, now this pack looks like it's missing the mini. Ryu, Luis Gil rookie, Nick Allen rookie, Sammy Sosa, Tool, that is Kendall Tool fitness influencer, Royce Lewis rookie, and Giancarlo Stanton. Jordan Grushka, looking very mad. Ian Grushka, a musician. Rafael Devers, Andre Dawson. Hart, must be a musician there. Yep, Jared Hart. Royce Lewis, mini rookie. Josh Lowe, rookie, and Landon Donovan. I think he's a soccer. Okay, last pack. Ted Williams, DJ Muggs. Oh, there's our extra mini that we were missing from the 1 pack. Todd Helton and Sandy Alcantara. Jake Swinski, rookie. Manny Machado, Nico Horner, and Sindog, and Castillo. Rapper, Sindog. All right. I think we'll look at the auto first. Let's do the mini first. We'll end on the actual hit. There's the bottom of the mini. See if we can tell if he's a rookie or not. It's number 2 out of 5. Paul Goldschmidt. Wow. That's a pretty decent one to get a red mini of. Very cool. Hand number 2 out of 5, Paul Goldschmidt. MVP, Paul Goldschmidt. Okay, now auto. Let's be somebody good. Come on. Silver border. I think we should look at it from the bottom. That way we can try to guess who signed it. Silver ink. Boy, that is really streaky. I don't know who that would be. Ah, Ketel Marte. Oh, it's number 18 out of 50. Ketel Marte. On-card auto. Kind of streaky, but it is the silver ink. Pretty cool. I have to say this is a great box. Our auto is okay. Could have been better, but not bad. And then we got a numbered out of 5 Paul Goldschmidt red. Julio Rodriguez rookie, Wander Franco, and Spencer Torkelson are the best rookies. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.